First of all, let's toast our rice. This is Italian rice and Nigeria rice, so I used to toast them before I start cooking them. That is, it gives it another flavor. We do it like that in Italy as a chef. So stay tuned and enjoy the cooking with us. All these are our fish for rice. A little bit of wine that I put inside to make my fish cook. Let me put some of my onions and celery with carrots. Garlic and onions. Capesante, I don't know the name of the fish in English language. Black pepper. Guys, let's go for the rice. This is Italian rice, risotto, creamy rice. This is sea fish rice. Not that I am cooking for 5 people, my husband, mother, my brother, and my sister, my husband. So I put some wine inside this rice because this is the method and the Italian tradition how to cook their food. So I'm just trying to toast it so that the wine will get dry with the rice. Then before I start putting my boiled water on it gradually. All right, now I start putting my boiled water. When it gets dry, I will start adding another more water. Then at this extent, I'm going to put my black pepper, because when you are cooking Italian rice with sea fish without no black pepper, that means my dear, you are not ready. Okay guys, this is my last point to go. Let's go with the pepper for the decoration. Is ready. This is risotto di pesce.